Hello YouTube, here's an unboxing of the graphic card that I bought online, the GTX 970 from MSI. I got it from Jacob Lindbergh. This is his address, so I'm just filming this as proof that I got the package and everything is in there. Alright, I'm trying to open this, okay? Not so sure what's in there, so see if I can open it. Oh, here it is. Alright, helps. Everything is in there. Got that. Like, I bought this on eBay, so let's see what's in there. Comes with this thing. What is this? Comes with the adapter. Comes with the VGA adapter to DVI. Comes with this thing. Looks okay so far. I can't really tell yet. It's not dusty or anything. And the fans move just fine. And the connectors have the protective buttons on it. And the connectors looks clean so far, but I can't really tell yet until I put it in there. Comes with this wire, 6-pin. Six pin adapter wire. PCIe. I bet PCIe. That's whatever.